Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the mysterious world of Java string comparisons. This tiny operator has caused more bugs than a picnic in a rainforest. Let's find out why. Let's look at these two seemingly identical situations. Example 1. String A equals byte plus pint. String B equals byte-pint. Let's compare these two strings. It's true. Okay. Example 2. String P equals byte. String Q equals P plus pint. Let's compare again. It's false? Wait, what? Same strings, but different outcomes? Welcome to the string pool party. In Java, there's an exclusive VIP area called the string pool where all the cool string literals hang out. When you write a string directly in quotes, Java checks, is this string already at the party? If yes, it reuses that exact same string object. In example 1, Java sees byte plus pint at compile time and says, hey, that's just byte-pint. So both A and B point to the same string object in memory. When we use double equals, we're checking if they are the same object. And they are. But in example 2, everything changes. When one of your strings is a variable like P, the concatenation happens at runtime. Java creates a brand new string object for Q. It's like showing up to the party with a new friend who wasn't on the guest list. So when we use double equals, we're checking if they're the same object. And they're not. They contain the same characters, but they're different objects. The moral of this strange tale: never use double equals to compare string contents in Java. Always use the dot equals method instead. Because in the wild world of Java strings, double equals checks if two variables refer to the same exact object, not if they contain the same characters. Hit that subscribe button for more Java mysteries explained. Thanks for watching.